Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have a pack of sea-related enemy battlers by Murasaki Jazi, a character art of a high school girl by Raiko, and a cool-looking female by Gatago Focus, an MV plugin by Dromark that disables automatic dashing when moving the character with mouse or touch input, a series of 3 MZ plugins by Kurodo that adds a calendar and schedule management system, an MZ plugin by Noon that allows replacing the gauges with custom images, an MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that changes the map scrolling system where more map is revealed when player reaches the edge, and lastly, a pack of time fantasy themed animal sprites by Final Boss Blues. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.